Today we're restoring an old plinth. I'm going to do it now. One thing that's always good when you're restoring old damaged walls is to put mesh in your render. It just helps to strengthen it up and future-proof it to prevent any cracks appearing next time. Now we are restoring a plinth, so we're going to have quite a bit of thickness to the render. We've got a lot of waterproofers in there to kind of try and prevent any water from seeping through. So I dropped a bit of a bollock and I left my carbon steel trowel out in the rain for a day. But you know what, I quite like the look of it. So I've set my level straight onto the render. Now that's plumb both ways, and that's going to be my guide for setting the thickness and depth for the render. So what I'm using, my trowel to scrape the excess render along the length of the steel, and that means I'm getting not only a plumb line but a completely straight line to work off for the rest of the time. This is a Rafina Diamondback float, and I'll be honest, it's probably the best float on the market. If you want to see the full process on how to render a wall, I will go through the whole process, scratch coat, flattening, ruling, then click this video here. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and follow us for more, because this is what we're all about, plastering, rendering specialists. So thanks a lot for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.